Hey everybody, this is Sanu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and select all notification option to get my instant updates every week. Today I have came up with a Father's Day special craft. If you really want to paint but you don't have paints in your home, I think you must watch this video. So keep watching till end without skipping the video. So let's get started. Today I will show you how to paint with coffee. Take any white sheet. I am using 100 GSM paper which I have taken out from an old drawing notebook. But you can even use A4 sheet instead of this. Take coffee powder of any brand. I am using Ice Cream Cups cap as a palette. While adding, you have to increase the quantity of coffee powder in each one to create light to dark shades. Taking some extra coffee powder in the fifth one. Now add equal amount of water and mix it well with spoon or a toothpick to create different shades of coffee. I'm not adding water to the fifth one. I will add a few drops of water to create a very dark shade when needed. As of now, I'm just creating 4 shades of coffee. Now I'm going to cover the edges with masking tape, or you can use the tape that is available in medical shop, which is used to stick the bandages. I'm doing this for two purposes. One is to get a good finishing and the other is the paper won't move when you are working. If you don't have these tapes, you can skip this step. Anyway, I'm going to remove these tapes at the end. Take any flat brush, start with light shade, that is the first shade we have created. If you are watching my video for the first time, do consider subscribing to my channel for more creative ideas. For the middle, I am using second shade. I'm using third shade for the end. I'm just trying to get a gradient effect, that is from light to dark shade, to create a good background. But you can even use only the first shade for the background. Now let it dry completely. Once dried, you can paint over them. I'm using fourth shade to outline a tree. I'm just drawing it in freehand. If you are a beginner, you just outline it with a pencil and then you can paint over them. You can find lot of creative and best out of waste material craft ideas and homemade craft supply making in my channel. So do recommend my channel to your family and friends who might be interested in crafting. Now use third shade to fill the tree. Outlined it with fourth shade and filling it with third shade. Now take the fifth one and add few drops of water and mix it well to a thick paste. You will get a very dark shade of the coffee here. I made an outline of a father and a kid. As I told you before, this is going to be a Father's Day special craft. You can take any picture from the internet. Just search it like a father and a kid drawing or silhouette in the internet. Take any picture that you can draw it easily, or you can even trace it out with carbon paper. I just took a very simple drawing. Just outline it with a dark shade. I'm going to create a silhouette kind of art. This is nothing but a dark outline of something in a bright background. Filling the shape with the same dark shade. As I told you, this is going to be a silhouette kind of art. Draw little lines like this to create a grass effect. Now leaves. It is very simple to draw. Just do like this. Adding some more branches to create a dense tree. Allow it to dry completely. Once dried, it won't stick to your fingers. Now carefully remove the tape and it will give a good finishing. And it's ready. Won't this be an heart-touching gift for your dad for all the love and affection he has given you? Do make this and thank your father in this special day. If you like this video, do hit the like button. Share this video to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video with another creative and beautiful craft. Bye-bye.